Hello, it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to show you how I put this card together, and I'm using the new stamp from Phyllis Harris called Angelic Wishes. I started off with a craft card base and I took a page from the Boho Vibes paper pack and I cut them both out with my rectangle stitch die. Then I used my tacky glue and glued the page down. Then I took the stamp that I had previously pre-coloured with my watercolours and fussy cut. Then I added some foam squares and stuck them down to the card. Next I'm using the sentiment from another Phyllis Harris kit called Your Wings Exist, and I cut the sentiment out and I used my foam squares again just to stick it onto the card. Finally I took my white jelly roll pen and added some stars to the night sky and some dots onto the girl's nightshirt. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching.